Hello guys, and welcome to another video by Captain Green Jay. Today we will be building set number 76276, Venom Mech armor versus Miles Morales. Let's get started here. I quite like this set. The mech is very imposing. It has pretty good posability, though only about that of a minifigure in the legs and the elbows. But I think this would be very good for stop motion, as long as you have a decent amount of sticky tack, of course. I would give this set especially for the price, probably a 9 or a 10 out of 10. I recommend going to buy this and potentially using it in some videos. If you make one, tag me in it. First up in the instructions, you build the waist and upper torso. Here is the first leg. As I said, no knee bendability, but Lego minifigures do not have that either, so I would not put it against the Lego. Second leg here being built. Here are the feet with a special jagged piece on the end to make it more symbiote-like. Both feet are done. Let's put them on. Most joints are ball and socket joints, which is very nice. I had trouble making these fingers here because plugging in the claws was a little painful, a little difficult. Still, the end result is quite good. With both arms finished, we can now move on to the minifigures. Here's Miles Morales in his signature hoodie, of course with a web piece. Very nice. Could use dual mode legs though, but it is a $10 set. Here we go, Venom, menacing, very nice. Could have used printed legs there too, but not needed. And here's the final build, menacing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before I go, I would like to talk about my Patreon. Over here, you'll get extra clips in my videos that you cannot get anywhere else, behind the scenes, like my process of animating, art, stories, and more. Go check it out. It's only $3. Have a blessed day.